Cardano holders, buckle up. ADA is sitting at just 80 cents. Whales are selling millions, but at the same time, analysts are talking about a path to $6. Yeah, $6. Today, we've got two big articles to break down. One cautious, one extremely bullish, and we're going to react to them live right here. What's going on, crypto family? Welcome back to another episode of Gold Rush Crypto Daily. If you're new here, this is where we take the biggest crypto headlines of the day, break them down in plain English, and figure out what's real, what's hype, and what you need to watch out for. Today, it's all about Cardano ADA. I've got two articles lined up. One from Brave New Coin, looking at whale selling pressure while ADA tries to recover toward $1. And another from Finbold, where an analyst sets a bold target. Cardano at $6 by April 2026. So let's dive in. And hey, if you want more breakdowns like this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next update. All right, first up we've got a piece from Brave New Coin. The headline reads, Cardano price prediction, whale selling test bulls as ADA consolidates for a recovery towards $1. Brave New Coin usually does decent technical focused coverage, so let's see what they're saying. Cardano is holding key support near 80 cents with rising on-chain activity and bullish signals suggesting a potential breakout towards the $1 level. Okay, so straight out the gate they're saying ADA is stable at 80 cents and showing bullish signs. That's interesting because 80 cents has been a sticky level all year. Anytime ADA dips under, it bounces back up. Anytime it tries to push above 85-90 cents, it gets smacked down. So this article is basically saying we're in that coiled spring phase. Cardano is holding around 81 cents, building what looks like a potential bottoming structure with a key support at 68 cents. Wait, let me stop right there. That 68 cents level is crucial. If ADA breaks below that, you can kiss the short-term bullish setup goodbye. But the fact that we're bouncing at 81 cents instead of testing 68 cents shows some strength. It's like buyers are stepping in early. This is bullish divergence in action. MACD is flashing a bullish divergence, momentum indicators trending upward. Exactly. MACD divergence means the downtrend is running out of steam. Picture it like a car rolling downhill. If the brakes are being pumped, you're eventually going to stop and turn around. That's what we're seeing here. Bulls are quietly loading up. Cardano posted $5.3 billion in on-chain volume in 7 days. Whoa, $5.3 billion? That's not retail traffic, that's big money moving through. Anytime on-chain activity spikes like this, it usually means something is brewing. Remember when Ethereum spiked in volume before the ETF talk heated up? Same playbook. Cardano is trading near 81 cents after executing a breakout, followed by a retest of prior resistance, now flipped into support. Classic retest. Traders love this setup. You break above resistance, you come back down, test it, and if it holds, boom, continuation higher. If ADA holds above 78 cents, 80 cents, this thing has room to run to 95 cents or even $1. Cardano remains above EMA 55, EMA 89, and MA 200 for 7 straight weeks. This is a big deal. Staying above the 200-day moving average for 7 weeks, that's not bearish. That's a strong underlying trend. The whales might be selling, but the chart structure is saying buyers are stronger right now. Cardano has faced selling pressure as whales exit 30 million ADA this past week. Okay, here's the red flag. 30 million ADA dumped. That's about $24 million at current prices. When whales offload like that, you feel it. It doesn't kill the long-term trend, but it slows things down. It's like trying to run uphill with a backpack full of bricks. Still doable, but harder. So bottom line from Brave New Coin, ADA's got strong on-chain activity, bullish technicals, and support levels holding. The only negative here is whale selling, and that's definitely something to watch. But overall, they're leaning bullish toward a recovery to $1. But hold up, because our second article is way more aggressive. Let's see how it compares. Now we've got this piece from Finbold. Headline, Analyst sets date when Cardano ADA will trade at $6. This was published pretty recently, so let's see if it lines up with what Brave New Coin just told us, or if it's pure hopium. Cardano could target a record high of $6 by April 2026. Whoa, stop the presses! $6? That's a 7x from where we are today. If you're holding ADA, that's music to your ears. But let's not get carried away. We need to check the reasoning. ADA has been above EMA 55, EMA 89, and MA 200 for 7 weeks straight. Interesting. This confirms exactly what Article 1 said. Two independent sources pointing to the same technicals. That adds credibility. When different analysts highlight the same moving averages, it's worth paying attention. Triple bottom formation recorded mid-June 2025, considered one of the strongest reversal patterns. Okay, now we're talking chart patterns. Triple bottom is basically like saying the market tried to push ADA down 3 times and each time bulls defended it. That builds a serious floor. Historically, assets that print triple bottoms don't just bounce a little, they launch. ADA advances every 6 to 10 months historically, is suggesting the market is now on the verge of its next rally. I'm a little skeptical here. Yes, ADA has shown cyclical rallies, but timing markets like this is tricky. Saying every 6 to 10 months is kind of like saying Bitcoin pumps every 4 years. It's true in general, but not exact. Still, it's a useful framework. Okay, let's zoom out. If ADA gets back to its old all-time high around $3.10, doubling from there to $6 isn't insane if the market enters a strong bull run, but it's not guaranteed. What I like here is they've given us a timeline, April 2026. That's about 18 months away, right in line with the next Bitcoin halving cycle and possible alt season. So Finbold's take is way more bullish. ADA not just hitting $1, not just retesting all-time highs, but pushing all the way to $6 in about a year and a half. That's a bold call, but they back it up with strong chart structures and historical context. All right, let's put these together. Article 1, cautious optimism. ADA can hold support and maybe push to $1 soon, but whales selling could stall momentum. Article 2, super bullish. Triple bottom, moving averages, cycle analysis, calling for $6 by April 2026. Here's what I think. Both can be true. In the short term, ADA does need to break $1 to prove it has legs. That's the first milestone. If whales keep selling, it could drag out sideways consolidation. But if we zoom out to 2026, $6 is not out of the question, especially if the broader crypto market goes parabolic. Key levels to watch. Support, 75 cents, 68 cents, critical must-holds. Resistance, $1 short-term, $3.10 long-term. Big macro target, $6 by April 2026. Bottom line, Cardano is at a crossroads. If it can defend 80 cents and flip $1 into support, we're in business. On-chain activity is strong, whale selling is the only real headwind, and the long-term charts look solid. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think ADA will just grind to $1, or is that $6 target realistic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be keeping an eye on whale activity and that 80-cent support line. Make sure you're subscribed, because the moment ADA breaks $1, you'll want to know what comes next. Remember, this is just my opinion based on these articles. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching Gold Rush Crypto Daily. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep stacking those gains.